Hello everyone. How have you been? I hope it has been great to you. Today's video is very exciting. I'm sure you are going to like it. I'm going to talk about a website that pays you 20 cents per click. Assume it's per click. And I also talk about another website that will pay you $2 per email you collect. To do that, you need to follow each and every step that I'm going to show you in detail. It is very easy. Just make sure that you follow the steps and watch every second of it to make sure that you actually understand it and implement it successfully so that you can make money online easily. So the first thing to do is to combine two platforms together to get paid from both of them simultaneously. So the first platform is entire web. You can search for entire web at entireweb.com at a URL space. Entire web is just like Google. It's a search engine website, just like Google. For instance, you can search for something like how to make money online. So when you do that, you can get different results from the entire web, like exactly like Google. But what you want to do is to join Interweb's affiliate program with entireweb.com/affiliate, so that to do affiliate marketing and earn money. As you can see, you can earn up to 20 cents for every click. As I told you, it's Interweb is a search engine like Google, but it so that they want to increase their search volume, so they will pay you 20 cents as per the refer link. People don't actually have to buy or pay for anything. They just have to search using the search engine. They just have to search using entire web instead of Google. So you'll get paid 20 cents per person. This money might not look like a lot of money, so I strongly recommend you to refer up to 1,000 people per day, which will be $200 per day. That's will be a lot of money, comparing what it's expected from you to get this. So, but to do more, I will go to cpagrip.com, and what you need to do is sign up and create an account. But I have already an account, so I will just directly go to my dashboard. So after I log in, I will see my dashboard. And in the dashboard, you can see here how much people are earning using this platform. As you can see, people are getting up to thousands of dollars. So be sure that this is something that can make you earn a lot. Like, see how much people are earning. There, people are earning thousands of dollars. So just take this thing very seriously. So now we'll go to the offer tools here, and click on my offer, and then change the setting into United States. So you can see different offers that can be used for the United States. But actually, you don't have to be from United States to use the offer. You just have to change your setting to the US. Then from the available offers, I'm going to use this one. Yeah, I think that is relatively the best offer, from what I am seeing. Yeah, I'm just searching for the best offer that can attract people. And so, okay, let me select this one. So I will select it, So I will select it because it sounds like a better offer. So the next thing to do that I'm going to do is to change the tracking domain after it's opened. Okay, changing the tracking domain because the first domain usually doesn't work. So I will change it to some random tracking domain. It can be something random. Change it to this. So after that, just the next thing that I'm going to do is copy the link. Just copy it. This link is the link that you used to refer to people, so that if people use this link to go to the site and enter the email, you will be paid $2 per email. So that's it. But note that this specific offer only works for mobile devices. So if you want to use this offer, use mobile, but also there are different offers that can be accessed using different media. So you can use different alternatives. So after I copy the link, I will go to hercules.com here. Hercules.com is a site where you can advertise to thousands daily. In this platform, you will get a massive email list for free. You don't have to build an email list for yourself, or you don't have to advertise anything. What you have to do is create an account at Hercules.com and to get email list. To refer the link you get from the entire web in the CPA group. This email list is not focused on a specific audience. It's not a quality email list. So you have to refer broad offer. You cannot promote something specific niche, or because you don't know you don't know anything about the audience. But since you can't get this email list for free, you can use it wisely. So as you are promoting a massive offer where people can submit their email to get a chance to get paid a lot of money, everyone wants that. This is obvious. So you don't need any specific audience. Yes, because you are not promoting something, some item or some object or something related to specific niche. So it's a wise choice, right? So the next thing you have to do is create an account here. Once you create an account, you can submit an email to 1,000 people every single day. And when you send the email, it's better if you select that if your subject line is grab $750 PayPal gift card, or just basically copy paste from this the title. You can just basically copy paste the title from the CPA grip from here and use it as a subject line for your email. And on the body of the email, tell them that the first thing to do to take or to try the giveaway is to try entire web and leave your entire web affiliate link there. And the second thing they have to do is to sign up for this takeaway and leave your CPA grip affiliate link there. So they will use your entire web affiliate link to search something that they want to search on the search engine and will submit their email to sign up for the takeaway on the CPA grip. So this means they will help you to earn 20 cents and $2 at the same time simultaneously. And then everything will be automatic. If you want to send the email, you don't have to do anything. It's all automatic. And assure if assure that you only send the email for 1,000 people per day, and assume if from the 1,000 people received the email, 500 of them responded as expected. That means you will earn $1,000 per day. That's a very easy way to earn this amount of money. The effort that's expected from you is very low as compared to what you are getting out of it. And it will be around $30,000 per month. And that is insane. That's absolutely insane. compared to what you are doing to get the money. So don't take any time to try this out. Like, don't hesitate for a little. Just you should try this out as soon as possible. That's my recommendation. I strongly recommend you to do this. So it was all about for today. I'm sure it was very informative and interesting. Don't forget to like, give, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Wish you to have a great time until I get back to you soon. Bye.